In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to color grade in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. So click on your project panel, import this wedding tool video clip, drag it into your timeline to create a sequence. Go to your effects panel, search for the Lumetri Color, drag it onto your clip. Go to your effects control panel. If you can't see this, go to window, click on effect control, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift 5. So go to your effects control panel, search for Lumetri Color, click on this basic correction drop down. So let's increase the temperature. You can see you have a lot of options here. You can increase the contrast or reduce the contrast. You can increase or reduce the shadow. So you are adding to the shadows and taking away from it. So you can increase the saturation by dragging the slider. You can add some vignettes. And some vignettes. So I'm adding white. So let's add a black vignette. You can increase the feather of your vignette. Okay. So you can add some curve to color grade. So let's increase the blues. Let's reduce the reds. So to see your before and after, click on this Lumetri Color. You can see this FX icon here. It says toggle the effect on or off. Click on it once, it disables the effect. Click on it again. Click once, click it, connect, click once. Sorry for this wily effect, that's my laptop behaving somehow. So click on this Lumetri Color, before and after. So that's how to add color grade in Premiere Pro. Another way you can do this is to go to your project tutorial panel. Instead of applying the effect directly on the clip, you can use an adjustment layer. Click on OK. Drag your adjustment layer on top of your clip. Drag it up, then through the entire clip. So let's click on our clip and look for Lumetri Color. Let's click Ctrl C. Delete this, then click on your adjustment layer and click on Ctrl V. And now the effect is directly applied on your adjustment layer, not the clip itself. So you can click on this eyeball icon to toggle on and off the effect on the layer. So right now we are now applying the Lumetri Color effect on this wedding tool clip, but on our adjustment layer. So the benefit of working with this adjustment layer is that we can drag this over the imagine we have several clips in our timeline. We can also drag our adjustment layer over the entire clip like this. So that is for this short tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.